Today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to turn off age restriction on TikTok. Now the default age limit on TikTok is 13 and people who are under the age of 13 cannot watch videos on TikTok. So if by mistake you have changed your age less than 13 on TikTok, you'll get this age restriction on TikTok videos that you watch. Now, unlike any other social media, TikTok does not give you a straight option to change your age. So in this case, you'll need to report this problem and ask TikTok to change your age for you. Come over to your profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right and then open up settings and privacy. From here, you'll need to scroll down and tap on report a problem. From a report a problem section, again scroll down and tap on submit a report. Now a section will open up where you can type in your detailed explanation. So now you can type in something like this. I mistakenly added in my age as, and you add in your age that you added in, but my real age is, so you type in a higher age and you can type in this and tap on submit. Once you submit this report to TikTok, TikTok should help you in changing your age and your age restriction on TikTok should be fixed. So that was a quick and easy video on how to turn off age restriction on TikTok. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure you turn on the notifications of our channel. That's all for today's video. I'll be back with more.